Hello, my name is Joyce and I'd like to show you my craft today. It's called quilling, and quilling is just twisted paper. How it got started was in the early 1700s when people would visit the monks and they wanted to give people a token to take home, so they would tear a sheet of paper out of their Bible and shape it into a shape and give it to the people to take home. Later it became very famous in England with the ladies of means. They would decorate their furniture, make boxes and trays. And then the blacksmith picked up on it and they made screens for their fireplaces. You see a lot of quilling today around clocks and handrails and banisters. Some of the supplies that you're going to need is a white glue, some toothpicks, a pair of scissors for cutting, tweezers for putting in the finer places, ruler for measuring, and you're going to need paper. This is called quilling paper, but I make my own out of cardstock, a soft cardstock. You're going to need a quilling tool, and this tool has got a slit in the middle, and you put the paper in between it, and you're just going to start twisting. You're going to open it up and let it come to a bud. Then you're going to put a little glue on that with a toothpick, and you're going to hold it till it gets dry. Then you've made a little petal. You're going to put two together. Then you're going to put 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to add the leaves, and the leaves are made exactly the same way that the petals are made. You're going to put a stem, and if you want to make a leaf stem, then you can put these together like this. And this is a bud. This is just 2 pieces of paper stuck together, but you leave a little opening at the top, and you have a bud. If you turn the leaves around, you can get 2 different kinds of flowers. Here are some flowers of different colors and different shapes that I have made. And I put them on cards, and I send them to my friends, and I have put them on gift bags. And I have enjoyed it. This is a very inexpensive, very rewarding craft, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I have.